lead investigator in the killing of homeless camper James Boyd is back on the stand today. Prosecutors continue to zero in on one of the two former APD officers accused of murder in this case. News 13's Fernando Lopez has been watching the trial and has the latest.
Kim, prosecutors continue to question Detective Jeffrey Stone about the planning and discussion that took place during and after the standoff in the foothills involving James Boyd and APD. Now today, the prosecution showed videos of during that standoff where Boyd expressed fear the officers were going to shoot him.
You don't try to stand me down there and talk. If I wanted to come down, I'd do it, but you start shooting at me.
No, he wouldn't.
The lapel video also shows what appears to be Officer Sandy discussing a possible plan with another officer. Prosecutors zeroed in on Keith Sandy and asked Detective Stone what Sandy reported seeing right before he fired shots at Boyd.
He said he saw James Boyd square off with him, and then he started to turn left in order to flank them, and as he was turning to the left is when he fired.
The prosecution then asked about Sandy's decision to pull the trigger. Stone says when talking to Sandy, he did not uncover any evidence that the shooting was an accident or unintentional. Prosecutors then turned to the briefing that took place after the shooting. There's been criticism of Stone saying he didn't properly separate Officers Sandy and Perez after the shooting. He did testify today that the two were put in different vehicles during that initial briefing, but neither officer was interviewed before they left the scene that day. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Fernanda. Now another big issue in court today, the handling of Officer Perez's gun used that day. Prosecutors say it was returned to the officer after the shooting instead of being admitted as evidence. The judge ruled yesterday because of that it cannot be used as evidence in this trial.